Okay, so we have 13 points. Basically, underneath a bunch of white ribbons and pink ribbons. Pink ones are at the top and the white ones are down the bottom. So you know if you got one and you're looking for the pair, whether to go up or down. Every second pair has a coloured bead on it. So we have pink in the middle, and then, so it goes pink, white, purple, white, blue, white, green from the middle outwards on both ends. Start at one end and you will have a green pair. And then you simply tie it up in a knot or a bow. That's actually really helpful, just holding that up like that. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight so that those two meet, otherwise it ends up being a little bit too long. So that one's white, and then we need blue, and then white again. And if these do slip at all during the night, you can just do it into a knot or into a double bow. And then purple. And then white, pink, and this pink one's all the way, it's quite high for the center one. And we're halfway. And then to the other side. So we got the green, and if you can find the green, you know you've gone all the way to the end. White, side seam with blue, white, purple, and then white. Lovely. Do you want to do a spin? Lovely.